In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Dropbox Sign to your email to send it along with other documents. This process will enable you to consolidate your document management and ensure that sending files and requesting signatures is a breeze. Let's dive right into the steps. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Dropbox. Once you've landed on the Dropbox website, log in with your credentials. If you're not sure which account to use, it's likely the one you frequently use for storing and sharing documents. Once you're logged in, you'll see your files neatly displayed on your home page or in the specific folder you've organized them. Hover your mouse over the file you intend to share. As you do so, a series of options will appear to the right. Click on the Share button that shows up. This action is crucial because it will enable you to send the document directly from Dropbox. Now, you'll need to create a unique link for the file. Click on Copy Link. This step generates a URL that you can use to share the file easily. Do the same for any other documents you plan to send along with the signature request, ensuring all necessary documents are accounted for at this stage. Next, navigate to Dropbox Sign, which is Dropbox's handy tool for managing document signatures. Look for the document you need to send off for signing. Once located, click on Sign or Edit. This action allows you to view and make any final adjustments to your document before sending it off for signature. At this point, you'll have the opportunity to create your own signature on the platform. You can type it in, draw it directly using your cursor, or even upload a photo of your handwritten signature for a more personal touch. It's important to ensure your signature looks as professional as possible, as it will be added to the document you're sending. Once satisfied with your signature, click Next to proceed. We're nearing the end of the process. You'll be taken to an email interface within Dropbox Sign designed for you to notify the signers. In this email, paste the link you copied earlier from Dropbox. This link will give the recipient access to the document you wish to share. After pasting the link and double-checking your email for any additional information you might want to include, simply click Send for signature. And that's it. You have now linked Dropbox Sign to your email and sent it along with additional documents. This method saves time and ensures that all necessary documentation is received in one comprehensive email. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.